What's this? It's a plastic form which molds the shape of the concrete. It can be reused to extend the distance of the sidewalk. And best of all, it is simple to make a designer sidewalk.
If you want to learn more about what's happening in Hawaii, please click the subscribe and like button below. It's your passport to be more educated about this wonderful place called Hawaii. You can learn more about activities, sites, culture, and much, much more.
Pound a couple of stakes in the ground and tie a cord to identify the edge of the desired sidewalk. Level dirt accordingly to the desired height.
It's only worth it if you work for it.
Then make sure the trench is wider than the form.
This one too?
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen. Everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free.
Now that the form is ready, let's mix some concrete. Okay.
Take a fucking swing.
About it?
Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down.
Okay.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off with these fucking clowns. We're all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me out. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Empty ready mix concrete and add water. Then mix. Okay.
That's a clear. The wall. Oh.
After pouring the concrete in the form, let it sit for a few minutes. Then separate the form from the concrete. Place the form next to the newly created sidewalk and repeat the process.
Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands and plan. Your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly I'm willing to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Jab the cells of the wet concrete to get rid of air pockets within the form.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what
Okay. Remember to let it sit for a few minutes before separating the form from the concrete.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns. We're all taught they deserve it.
Repeat process if a longer sidewalk is desired.
It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me.
And there you have it. It's relatively simple now that you know the process. For your information, the lead cast in this video has just learned how to make a sidewalk. This is his first time doing this kind of work. He attended Papa's educational workshop. More household workshops are coming. Stay tuned.